Hey everyone, and welcome to the Profits Passport Review. Lewis here, and I'm pumped for you to be here on this page in this video and for you to see the power of earning instant commissions online. Last few days have been crazy, and I'm excited for you to see results finally. So let's get cracking on. If you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, click below, subscribe. I'm chucking out videos all the time, and hit that bell button so you know when I'll get them out. So I'm not going to speak too loud. It is about midnight here in the UK, but I wanted to get this out there. I wanted to get it in your hand so you can take action with this. So let's crack on. So here we are. If you click the link below in the description box, you're going to be taken here, and we're going to show you the done for you system with multiple commissions from 1,000 all the way up to 20,000, no joke. And like it says, huge commissions, and it's got starting points for everyone. So it suits anyone who wants to smash it with affiliate marketing. There's no excuses. And you hear online about funnels and building funnels and SEO and all this tech stuff, and you might get confused and think, I don't know how to do all that. You don't need to do all that. Using done for you systems helped me have my breakthrough, and I'm going to show you the results that many people are having with this system. So I'm super pumped. I'll go show you some bonuses at the end as well, so stay tuned. But yeah, you come here and you go see to put your email in right there. I'm going to show you the next page as well. So this is the funnel. It's a free funnel. You can grab the funnel. It's completely free. Links below. Just grab that funnel and you're going to be taken over here. I'm not going to go into much detail about each income stream, but all I'm going to say is every marketer needs the first income stream for sure. It's going to teach you how to market. It's going to teach you how to drive traffic. It's going to teach you how to build your audience. It's going to teach you just how to be a great marketer. And all these leaders making this massive money know how to market, and that's where you want to be. That's what you want to do. You want to learn. You want to educate yourself, implement what you learned, take action, grow, and become a great marketer. These big paydays can happen for you as long as you take action. You're not going to push one button and have 20 grand overnight in your bank account. This is not what this is at all. So if you want in that quick, massive money, overnight success, leave now and being honest. But if you want to make it happen and put a small bit of smart work in, stay on this video, because you'll go see how simple it is. So this is inside the funnel. When you're inside here, what you want to do is watch this video here. That's an hour long. Grab a cup of tea and watch it. It's going to explain everything you need to know, and it is so simple. And down here, you've got your income stream number 1, 100% commissions. Up to 2,000, 100% commissions, guys. Do you know the power of that? And it's got commissions of 1,000, it's got commissions of 500, it's got commissions of 250. So you've got all these different commission structures for you to earn money and to help people learn how to market and grow as a marketer, which every niche needs, every marketer needs. There's people out there who want this information, and you have it inside this funnel. And then you've got income stream number 2. You can make money from people who don't even buy, just for leads. You've got income stream number 3. Income stream number 4 about commissions, getting traffic and earning commission from people buying traffic, which every marketer needs traffic. So when people buy through you, you get commissions. And then you got the big Bitcoin commissions at the end there. Like I said, I'm not going to go through in detail, because you can click the link below and come over here and see it all yourself. Sign up your accounts, watch the videos, but it is explained in this video here. It's so simple. You then get your link and then you promote it to how we teach you in the first income stream. We give you all the information you need. So you get that information, you use the traffic training, use that traffic training, you copy that, you have that link, and you give it out to people in whatever way you like. Not spamming it, but building your audience, ninja tactics we use to get traffic. And also, when you take action with that, you come into my private group. I'm teaching people in here how to get traffic. I teach people how to use traffic. There's results there. There's more results here. Someone leaving me about a traffic generation technique I use. All this, I could put all this training in for you. So you watch this training as well on top of what we already give you in the funnel. Drive traffic to what I've just shown you, and you earn commissions. You earn commissions within the follow-ups. You earn commissions straight away. So, guys, what I want you to do is grab the funnel, take action with it, and see results. And when you're in, I'm going to give you loads more support, loads more training, but I'm pumped for you. I'm excited. It is late here, like I said, so I can't get overly excited because I don't want to wake the neighbours up if they hear me shouting. But yeah, any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe. That this is all we're doing to make commissions. Oh, and before I go, I want to show you the results people are having. So we get into a private community as well within in the company. So congrats to Marissa, 298 sales automated from the funnel. So she just drove traffic to that funnel. 197 automated sale. 197 for Karen. Fraser, 6,000 in less than 7 days. All this, guys, $25 sale, $50 overall. People just starting with this and seeing results because the funnel does the work for you. There's the webinar does the work for you. The trainings do the work for you. The whole funnel works for you. All you got to do is master that traffic and send it to the funnel. 250 here, guys. It works. It's simple, so take action. Link is below, the first link. Do it, take action. Contact me, reach out, we get on a call, we'll get a game plan in place, and we'll get you earning 2,000 commissions here. Look, guys, this is real. It works. And what do you do when something works? You run with it, you take action with it, and you see results. This is how the leaders make big money. Okay? That's all from me today. Short video. I hope you're pumped for it. I hope you're excited. And again, leave any comments, any questions, reach out to me. But see you all soon. Bye for now.